Yeah, welcome once again. Welcome back. Welcome back. It is what it is. If it's the first time on this channel, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, and everybody that have been following this channel, you know, guys. Welcome back once again. Damn it! I've been listening to this track. The track and about Iva yobiva yobikwa yodzingindera ndikwamba track eneyabori the track by BlackPearlVee of feature Khathu. Another track if he wana. One thing about Khathu is like he's slowly climbing, man, climbing to the top. She's giving us some great tunes. BlackPearlVee have been around and been doing and great and giving us dope tunes also. So this combination with Ginger Man SA, Smosh and Big Robs, it really did great, man. It really showed us the other side that when you work together as artists, damn it, my chair. Okay. When you work together as artists, you really accomplish something, you know. So the track in Yuri Morina Kwambori, the Muslim to like giving up, you know, in love and all that. And then went down on their knees, bawa ko rabela, ko rabela, ko rabela. Ottaba gona pasi, achiko rabela, achiri hey mudzimu. Ndiko danga mutu, ndiko danga mutu ndote, ndiko toda mavuanga. Then asika unia wari, hai baya fhindula rihando muwana. So it's a track about love, you know. When you meet the right person, you know it, and you can't stop thinking about them. You can't stop loving them. You can't stop wanting to be there with them all the time, just to, you know, feel blessed. Like I don't know how else to say, but yeah, man, felt blessed and all that. So I come with now, man, getting your soulmate, your friend, you know, you can't wait to spend the rest of life with them. So that's the track. What is the track? It's all about, man, because it can't be compared to anything. It's love is love. You know what I mean? So the track, yeah, in the the track in our the BlackPearlVee of each other Khathu, and she's dominating. She also has an EP out, but I'm not gonna get into that. I'll talk about her in the next video or another video that I'm gonna do. So just make sure that you look out. I'll talk about the EP or some of the tracks on the EP to decide on that video. So make sure, guys, that you jump into this. You make sure that you go and check out the track. The track is dope, guys. I really enjoyed listening to it. It's something that you can play and you can appreciate. You know it. Rabela gona fhasi, and then muwana. You know what I mean. I'm out of here. Check it out. I want to know.